this is your rectangular living area. See your kitchen area, how huge it is, right? We have entered towards your master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at the Trilight project, which is located on Golden Mile Road, Kokapet, Hyderabad. And this project is developed by P. Mangat Ram Developers. And today we are here to check out their 4 BHK sample flat. But before that, let's check out the surrounding of the project. So as you can see, I'm standing just in front of the marketing office. So this is the marketing office of the Trilight, and the land parcel is just beside the marketing office. So this is the land parcel of this project, and now let's show you the connectivity. So this is the road, that is the Golden Mile Road. Now, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many calls. Well, where in Housey we connect you directly with developers because the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So, why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now, before the sample flight, let's discuss the project overview of this project. So this project is constructed on total 4.5 acres of land parcel, having total 3 towers, as you can see just behind me, and the work is 65% completed. Now, this towers will be having 4 basement ground, 3 podium, and the first tower is of 56 floors, then second comes with 46, and the third tower of 49 floors, having 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK premium residencies. Now let me tell you about the amenities part. So this project has luxurious amenities like of 3 clubhouse, rooftop amenities like of rooftop swimming pool, mini theatre, guest bedroom, skating ring and many more. Now coming to the location part, this project is located bang on Golden Mile Road, Kokapet, Hyderabad. So this is the Golden Mile Road. Now let me tell you that this road over here takes you towards the Kokapet, and this road takes you to GAR Infobun main gate, the front gate, and even the ORR. Now coming to the connectivity of the project, ORR is just 1 minute away from the project, with Kokapet just 2 minutes away from here, and the financial district is 5 minutes away, with the high-tech city and Gachibowli is 15 to 20 minutes away from this project. So this is your 4 BHK of 4,777 square feet super built up area. So let's enter here. So on the entrance you will be getting the digital door lock. And now once you enter, this is your informal living area, that is your drawing area, you can see. So how spacious this room size is, right? Now let's check one more thing. Over here on my right hand side comes the guest bedroom. So this is the guest bedroom over here. You can see the room size over here. Comes with 2 windows, one over this side and one over that side for ventilation and lighting purpose. And now this room is attached with the washroom also. So here comes the washroom area, which comes with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now let's check the rest of the house. So from here, we'll enter towards the beautiful and spacious living and dining area. But before this side, here is the Devghar, that is your puja room. So for your reference, they have done a very well interior. And now this is your rectangular living area. So you can see how huge and beautiful the living area is, right? So like this over here in the center of the living area, you can sit your sofa set exactly in front of your TV unit. And now you can use this space in multiple ways. Now let me show you the beautiful and huge balcony. So this is your balcony plus running deck. How huge it is, right? Because this balcony is also connected to the balcony of one of your bedroom. And this balcony's 3 side cupboards come with anti-skid tiles and with toughened glass railing. So this is the toughened glass railing, and you can enjoy the beautiful and scenic view from here. Now let's move further. Now let's check your dining area. So on my left hand side comes the dining area. So over here, this is your dining area, your huge dining area. You can easily set your 8 to 10 seaters of dining table over here. And one more plus point is that they have even provided a balcony in your dining area. So just imagine enjoying your meal with beautiful scenic view. So this is the balcony again, comes with anti-skid tiles and with toughened glass railing again, which is 3-side covered. Now let me show you the kitchen area. So even now this space, you can use it in a multiple way. So you can decorate it as per your choice. And now from here we'll enter towards your kitchen area. So this is your kitchen area. See your kitchen area, how huge it is, right? So your spacious and beautiful kitchen area. Even this kitchen area comes with the dry balcony. That is the utility area. How huge the utility area is. Comes with half wall and half railing, that is iron railing. And here also they have provided the anti-skid tiles and with the washing machine provision. Now let's enter towards the bedroom area. So as first bedroom we have already checked. Here this side comes the powder area. So this is the powder room, comes with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting. And now over this side comes your bedroom number 2. So let's enter towards your bedroom number 2, which is again very much spacious and beautiful. You can check the space over here. In spite the king size bed, there is lots of space over here. This room comes with the huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose again. And over here they have provided a washroom which is attached. So the washroom comes with anti-skid tiles and with CP sanitary fitting with the shower glass partition. Now let's check the next bedroom. So just follow me, walking through your living area. We are going towards your bedroom number 3. So your bedroom number 3 is over this side. So let's check. This is your bedroom number 3, the spacious one, right? So this is the space that the builder is providing you. You can see this is the same bedroom for which they have given the attached balcony, and this is the same balcony which is connected to the balcony of your living area. So the access is from here also. Now this is the space, also comes with the cross window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And the favorite part, that is the walk-in wardrobe. So they have provided the walk-in wardrobe here. And in walk-in wardrobe side also they have provided a window. So let's check the window over here. So here comes the window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And now here is your attached washroom. So this is your washroom, comes with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now I know you guys are waiting for the master bedroom, right? But before that, let me tell you that what all features Housey provides you. So Housey provides you with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos, with payment scheme and EMI schedule, with pros and cons of the projects and 360-degree location tour of each and every project. But for this, you have to go and register yourself on www.housey.com and schedule your free site visit. Now, just come and check the master bedroom. So again, walking through your living area, we have entered towards your master bedroom. So this is the beautiful and most spacious room in this house. So you can see the space, right? Here you can set a couch like this in front of your corner window. So they have provided a corner window over here. And again, one more window just behind the side. So here is the window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And again this side, they have given you the walk-in wardrobe. So this room also comes with walk-in wardrobe. Much space, right? The ample of space that the builder is providing you over here. And again this side, they have provided the attached washroom which comes with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And here even they have provided the shower glass partition. So So now, as you all know, we are at Kokapet location in Hyderabad. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And for more details of this project, do not forget to click on the I button. And for more such details, like, follow and subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.